The new Stalu Deck Plus. A new design and a winner thanks to a greater sense of safety during use. It's also sturdy and durable. A secure investment in the future. Its technical improvements are felt most clearly when it's walked on. For use in both facade and surface scaffolding, it's just the right, lightweight deck for all trades. For scaffolding constructors, tradesmen and all scaffolding users who like to feel firm ground under their feet, the new Layher Stalu Deck Plus. High load-bearing capacity, low degree of deflection and a greater sense of safety during use. A real plus for day-to-day work at the site. With the Stalu Deck Plus, Layher's engineers have succeeded in increasing its overall bending stiffness by 46% compared with the Stalu Deck T9. That makes the Stalu Deck Plus one of the most bending-resistant aluminium decks on the market. Both the design work and the simulation of all loads were done on the computer. The result? An optimized profile. For particularly high stiffness, with a low amount of material used and with a low weight. Due to the homogeneous distribution of the stiffness in the transverse direction too, the new Layher Stalu Deck Plus deflects more evenly under load, with an effect that can be clearly felt. A greater sense of safety during use. Welded sections ensure that loads are transmitted safely even with frequent load changes. And permanently too, thanks to an optimally matched interaction between the welds and T-type reinforcements. Also ideal when transporting material on surface scaffolding. Ergonomically shaped outer edges permit better handling and a firm grip. The more pronounced longitudinal grooving on the deck surface gives a better grip, improving slip resistance. The caps and claws made from hot-dip galvanized steel not only make the deck strong and protect it from being damaged, but also enable easy movement of the decks inside the scaffolding during installation and removal due to the low frictional resistance of steel on steel. When the decks are stacked for storage, the new form of cap with a larger distance between claws ensures a sure and user-friendly grip. Combination with previous Stalu deck generations is also no problem. That applies both to the logistics of storage and transport and to its use in scaffolding. The Stalu Deck Plus. With its Stalu Deck Plus, Layher has created an aluminium deck that's a winner. A real plus for easy scaffolding construction and efficient working at the site. Sturdy and durable, with high load-bearing capacity, low degree of deflection and a greater sense of safety during use. That's the new Stalu Deck Plus, a secure investment in the future.